The unlawful destruction or the bringing forth prematurely of human fetus before the natural time of birth, which results in death. A. Abortion. B. Infanticide. C. Murder. D. Parricide. Answer: A. Abortion. All persons who can perceive and perceiving can make known their perception to others. A. Suspects. B. Witnesses. C. Victims. D. Informers. Answer: B. Witnesses. Personal property that can be subject to search and seizure. A. Used or intended to be used as means of committing an offense. B. Stolen or embezzled in other proceeds or fruits. C. Subject of the offense. D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. When the witness states that he did not see or know the occurrence of a fact. A. Positive evidence. B. Corroborative evidence. C. Secondary evidence. D. Negative evidence. Answer: D. Negative evidence. A form of evidence supplied by written instruments or derived from conventional symbols such as letters, by which ideas are represented on material substances. A. Documentary evidence. B. Testimonial evidence. C. Material evidence. D. Real evidence. Answer: A. Documentary evidence. It is that which, standing alone, unexplained, or uncontradicted, is sufficient to maintain the proposition affirmed. A. Documentary evidence. B. Prima facie evidence. C. Material evidence. D. Real evidence. Answer: B. Prima facie evidence. It is evidence of the same kind and to the same state of facts. A. Documentary evidence. B. Prima facie evidence. C. Corroborative evidence. D. Real evidence. Answer: C. Corroborative evidence. It is an inquiry or proceeding for the purpose of determining whether there is sufficient ground to engender a well-founded belief that an offense has been committed and the offender is probably guilty thereof and should be held for trial. A. Pre-trial. B. Arraignment. C. Preliminary investigation. D. Plea bargaining. Answer: C. Preliminary investigation. The adjudication by the court that the accused is guilty or is not guilty of the offense charged, and the imposition of the proper penalty and civil liability, if any. A. Trial. B. Pre-trial. C. Arraignment. D. Judgment. Answer: D. Judgment. The examination before a competent tribunal according to the laws of the land or the acts in issue in a case for the purpose of determining such issues. A. Trial. B. Pre-trial. C. Arraignment. D. Judgment. Answer: A. Trial.